Who would have thought peanut butter and jelly on a hot dog? On your screen right now, you're seeing the options people had to choose from. Oh, it's gonna be such a good day. I can just feel it. Wait, I might jinx myself by saying that. Yep. Ooh, it is a hot morning, but we are all loaded up. I like the way I did this. I like ran my straps through the center, kind of crisscrossed them. It looks kind of cool. Hopefully it's as effective as it is cool. Welcome back to another video. Today, once again, for the third time in a week, we're headed back to Houston today. I've got something special in store for you guys, so stay tuned. Let's get on the road, baby. What in the hell? All right, guys, so we have made it about halfway. The drive is going honestly amazing. Can't complain at all. Riding real nice. This is a pretty small load, just like the last 6 loads have been. But seriously, how can you complain about that? I wonder what these things are for. If anyone knows in the comment section what these things are for, let me know. Hell yeah. See, I knew today was gonna be a good day. It's always a good day when you can chew a man's chew. What you guys know about the fresh cans? Now, for anyone calling me a fake trucker out there, look at that. Who's a fake trucker now? Not this guy. Yeah. Mm-hmm. A new fake trucker and me, boy. For lunch today, we've got green beans, chicken, and roasted corn. Let's go. We hit some traffic, so we're gonna eat while we're in this traffic again. That's how we do it every day almost. How you doing?
Fine.
Dropping off?
You been here before?
Yes.
The picture in the front of your vehicle.
You're good.
Have all your PPE, your hard hat, long pants, like shoes, everything?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right.
C? Okay.
You're good.
C?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. The 2 bigger pieces that are on us are going here, and then the 2 pallets are gonna be going somewhere else. And that's about 40 minutes away. So hopefully we don't hit any traffic on the way over there. All right, guys, first drop off complete. It is so hot out here, holy crap. I wasn't working, I was just standing outside. Yeah, it's hot.
Bless anybody fighting through the stress, anybody fight.
You miss me?
Oh yeah,
You been watching the videos?
I watch them.
Hell yeah, dude. What's up with you?
I'm already left. I'm already leaving.
You're leaving right now?
Yeah, you have to get the other guy unloaded. You came late, man.
What time do you leave?
2:30. Oh, there you go. He's gonna hit you.
Yeah, you leave at 2:30 now. Hey, wait. You might wanna. Yeah. Yeah. Tell you guys about today's sponsor, LogRock. If you run a truck or a whole fleet and you're still shopping around for insurance rates, you're wasting time, and 9 times out of 10, you're probably overpaying. I've been there. Call after call, quotes after quotes. LogRock just isn't an insurance middleman. They've got tools to help with compliance, driver files, maintenance logs, all the stuff that'll bite you if you don't stay on top of it. Honestly, I wish I had this when I first started. It would have saved me a lot of stress, a lot of money. All you have to do is click the link in the description, fill out your information, and get your free quote today. And it really doesn't matter if you're a 1 truck, 2 truck, 5 truck, 10 truck operation, LogRock will save you money. I'm urging you guys to take this opportunity, save yourself some money. LogRock is here for you. So click the link down in the description below and check LogRock out today. But enough yapping. Let's get back on the road. All right, guys, we're all dropped off. It's time to figure out what kind of hot dog I'm making. I have a feeling that you guys did not take it easy on me. I gave you guys good choices and not so good choices. Pretty interested to see how this is gonna go. Stay tuned. We'll get into it once I get to the truck stop. Well, guys, the results are in. Time to make ridiculous hot dog. And yes, it looks like I just woke up because I just took a 2-hour nap on an accident. Luis, if you're watching this, thank you for the crab, bro. Here's my bun. Unfortunately, they don't sell anything smaller than that. Go big or go home, you know? And the last ingredient is peanut butter and jelly.
The only one I know.
Shout out HEB for them cheap fuel prices. Yeah. Yeah. All right, guys, we're back. It's time to make dinner. We're gonna be making a hot dog. We've got our bun, we've got our dog, we've got our condiment, we've got our toppings. I'm actually excited to make this. I think it might be good because pickles and peanut butter is good. So what about pickle, peanut butter, and jelly with jalapenos, crab, and Vienna sausages? That sounds appetizing. So if you're kind of confused on what I'm talking about, a few weeks ago I posted on my story saying I want to make the best hot dog. On your screen right now, you're seeing the options people had to choose from and what won. So here we are. Let's get into it. What the heck? You guys had good options and you chose this. Vienna sausage, peanut butter, crab, and jalapenos. I seriously thought you guys were gonna take it easy on me. The Vienna sausage, if you would have picked a beef hot dog, I would eat this every day. Who would have thought? Peanut butter and jelly on a hot dog? That's kind of fire. Seriously? I think my stomach's gonna hurt here in a little bit. But that was actually kind of fun. Thank you guys for whoever voted. I actually had a blast. So it's getting kind of late, so we need to get showered and go to bed. Change of plans. We're actually gonna go for a run, work out, and then shower. Catch you guys in a sec. We already have another load for the morning. Lucky for us. So we're gonna head to bed and we'll see you guys in the morning. Oh, good morning. What a beautiful day. You know what wasn't beautiful? Sleeping here last night. So at the beginning of the driveway, there's speed bumps when you come in and there's speed bumps when you come out. Every 30 minutes, someone would either leave or come back. And it's insanely loud when they leave. That, every 30 minutes. It was miserable. I'm literally right here. Never again. If I ever come back here, I'm gonna request a different spot. We took another shower because we can. Why not? I didn't get very much sleep last night, so I might as well take advantage. I will say, I do feel pretty replenished, I guess you would call it. Feel pretty good, so hopefully we're gonna have a great day today. We're actually going to pick up a load going to Mandeville, Louisiana, which is about north, like right on top of Lake Pontchartrain, about maybe an hour north of New Orleans. So once we drop off, we'll only have like an hour and 45-minute drive back home. I think it's cool. These guys have a pool that they can lower some of their equipment into. I don't know. I think that's cool. What do I think is cool? I don't know. Let me know if you think it's cool. What's up, man?
Hey, how's it going?
Picking up an OEG basket?
Sure you are.
Yeah, I seen it over there. It looks like it was full.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'm already kind of set up for you already. So.
Oh, okay, perfect.
Just in case. That's perfect. It doesn't get any better than that.
Goes 60 to 130.
All right, guys, fast forward 6 hours and we have made it to our drop-off. Reasonable time too. We're here right about 3 o'clock. We were originally projected to get here at 2:45, so overall, great drive. Oh, not much to complain about. I have no idea where I'm going. We're gonna try this door over here. How's it going? I am dropping off a basket for y'all.
Oh, okay, I got you. You probably back out. The signs are a little small when you pull in. It's going to be this building, but exactly on that side of it. Yeah.
Okay, so thanks, man.
Be careful backing out. It might have some guys.
Sounds good. I guess we're done. Gotta back up and yeah. All right, guys, they're having us move so they can get me unloaded. Dude, they're crawling in there, look. Gonna walk past and just like act like the camera's not there.
While we're waiting for that, there it went.
So here